Hey, how's it going, guys? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2020 Honda Civic maintenance light reset. We are going to use that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. As you can see, maintenance due, and we're going to be using these button over here: menu, enter, left, right, up, and down. Okay, now go ahead and use the menu button and go find the wrench, and when you get to the wrench, press enter, and when you get here, press and hold for approximately, I say, about 10 seconds. When you get here, scroll down to all due item, press and hold on the all due item, and that is it. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.